इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Level 1, page number 10, slow speed. Answers in the end start. Question number 1 start. 37 minus 6, 8. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 2 start. 73 9, 8. Minus 50, 8. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 3 start. 7 8, 11. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 4 start. 11 2, 8. 18 9. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 5 start. 17 2, 8. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 6 start. 39 minus 7, 8. Minus 40, 28. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 7 start. 9 8, 9. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 8 start. 85 8, 4. Minus 25, 18. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 9 start. 19 9, 8. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 10 start. 12 18, 18. Minus 35, 28. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 11 start. 7 8, 20. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 12 start. 13 9, 8 8, 8. Answer is 46. Next. Question number 13 start. 18 minus 5, 8. Answer is right. Your answer. Next. Question number 14 start. 20. 8. 8. 3. 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 15 start. 1. 2. 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 16 start. 73. 6. 9. 8. Minus 65. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 17 start. 36. 2. 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 18 start. 63. 8. 9. Minus 60. Plus 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 19 start. 3. 8. 9. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 20 start. 52. 2. 9. 18. 9. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 21 start. 22. 8. 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 22 start. 38. 8. Minus 6. 8. Minus 35. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 23 start. 8. 8. 9. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 24 start. 25. 3. 8. 9. Minus 15. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 25 start. 35. 2. 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 26 start. 62. 8. 8. 18. Minus 55. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 27 start. 2. 2. 18. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 28 start. 12. 1. 9. 18. 54. Answer is, write your answer next. Please check your answers. Question number 1 start. Answer is 39 next. Question number 2 start. Answer is 48 next. Question number 3 start. Answer is 26 next. Question number 4 start. Answer is 48 next. Question number 5 start. Answer is 27 next. Question number 6 start. Answer is 28 next. Question number 7 start. Answer is 26 next. Question number 8 start. Answer is 90 next. Question number 9 start. Answer is 36 next. Question number 10 start. Answer is 41 next. Question number 11 start. Answer is 35 next. Question number 12 start. Answer is 46 next. Question number 13 start. Answer is 21 next. Question number 14 start. Answer is 47 next. Question number 15 start. Answer is 11 next. Question number 16 start. Answer is 31 next. Question number 17 start. Answer is 46 next. Question number 18 start. Answer is 28 next. Question number 19 start. Answer is 20 next. Question number 20 start. Answer is 90 next. Question number 21 start. Answer is 38 next. Question number 22 start. Answer is 13 next. Question number 23 start. Answer is 25 next. Question number 24 start. Answer is 30 next. Question number 25 start. Answer is 45 next. Question number 26 start. Answer is 41 next. Question number 27 start. Answer is 22 next. Question number 28 start. Answer is 94 next.